Do you want to connect Jotform with Zendesk? Well, let me show you how on this video right now. Hey, what's up everyone? This is Jotform, and on this video, I'm going to show you how to integrate Jotform with Zendesk. So let's get started. The first thing you need to do is create a form or use a form that you've previously created. In this case, I'm going to use this form for testing purposes, and I'm going to jump into the builder of this form. Next, we're going to jump into the settings tab. Then I'm going to jump into the integrations tab on the left, and I'm going to search for Zendesk. Here it is. Go ahead and select Zendesk, and in this case, I'm going to use another account to get started. Now, what you need is the subdomain from your Zendesk account. Go ahead and jump over to your Zendesk dashboard, and in the link bar, you'll find the address. Go ahead and paste it in right here and remove everything that has to do with .zendesk. Here we go, and we're going to remove the HTTPS. So this is my Zendesk subdomain. I'm going to add the new connection, and I need to authenticate with Zendesk. I'm going to allow it to connect. Here we go, and we are now connected with Zendesk. So it's super easy. Next thing we need to do is set the add ticket subject. Now in this case, I'm going to click on the pencil button and have the option to add variables. So in this case, I'm going to use the form title, then I'm going to set dash, and then I'm going to use something unique like the submission ID, again dash, and I'm going to use, for example, the first name only. Okay, it's just to give you an idea how you can use this. Then add the ticket description. In this case, I'm going to use the details for this, just for testing purpose. I'm going to use the email, but you would add something here. For example, if it's support ticket, go ahead and add the details right here for that description. Okay, then we have match your Zendesk fields to the Jotform fields. So name should be tied with name, email with email, and you can add more fields straight from here. This is from Zendesk and this is from Jotform. So you can tie those fields in case they have to do one with another, to add priority, to add the details for a support ticket, for example. Then we have choose a group. In this case, the support group. If you have more groups, you'll view them right here. And if you add a brand new group right now, go ahead and refresh it and you'll be able to view it. Then you can choose tags here. So I'm just going to use the position as the tag applied, and I can attach uploaded files. Now in this case, that means that upload your resume is going to be uploaded on Zendesk too. So we're good to go. Let's go ahead and save. Here we go. We are now connected. Let's go ahead and go to preview form. Let's go ahead and fill this out with test data. Let's go ahead and I'm going to remove this product for now. Let's go ahead and apply. Here we go. Let's go into Zendesk and let's go ahead and refresh. Here we go. The new ticket has now been created. It's this one right here with the demo data. It's just simple demo data, but it gives you an idea of how you can create this on Zendesk. So we have now integrated Jotform with Zendesk. So it's a really practical way that if you have a support form created, to send those details over to Zendesk to create a new ticket on Zendesk. So let me know here in the comments what you think about the integration of Jotform with Zendesk and what you would like to see in the future. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that little bell notification to get notified when new videos come out. And that's a wrap.